Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 33. Get ready for the dictation. Start. I wish you to write to me as to the disposal of those cases of yours which I have had lying in these offices for a year now. You have had successive notices asking you to remove them, but to no purpose. The cases themselves are ugly, and they can scarcely be said to be sweet-smelling. Besides this, the space in these offices is too small for my business, and I have no room to spare for these packages. This is an unnecessary annoyance, and I insist on your taking the cases away by the 10th of July at the outside. Stop. Thank you.